Hello everyone, this is Physiopraniti from HealthQ Rehab. Today we are going to discuss positions you should not sleep to avoid shoulder pain.
When you rest in bed, your mind becomes more aware of your body and more conscious about dull or throbbing pain which is taking place in the body. As we know, shoulder is a shallow socket joint and it is very sensitive to the pressure or the position in which it is kept. Now when we sleep, gravity acts differently on the shoulder joint and it creates a tension on it. So our goal is to keep body in proper alignment so that we can sleep soundly without irritating the painful joint, especially if you are having a shoulder pain. When it comes to muscle, joint and bone pain, sleep plays a very important role. So we should avoid the sleeping positions in which we get pain and adopt proper sleeping positions which are pain-free. As this position puts pressure on the shoulder joint so that many structures get more and more irritated and it doesn't give proper time for the joint to heal. Sleeping on the painful shoulder. Many people roll over on the shoulder which is painful. It causes pressure on the painful joint and it will definitely flare up the pain. So we can improve the sleeping position by using two pillows. One should be below the head and one pillow should be near the thoracic region, and there should be the gap in between the two pillows in which we can place the shoulder and our arm. It creates a canal between the two pillows so that it puts more pressure on the head and the thoracic area rather than the shoulder. So in this joint, the shoulder is offloaded and it gives proper time for the shoulder joint to heal. The next position in which people usually sleep is by keeping the painful shoulder up. Now what happens in this position? It creates internal rotation in the shoulder joint, which causes impingement of the structures around the shoulder joint, and again it flares up the pain. Now we can modify this sleeping position. For this we have to take two pillows. One pillow should be under our head and one pillow we should keep in the front of our thoracic region on which we can support our arm so that it will keep our shoulder in the neutral position. Next commonly used position is people lie down straight and they keep one or both the hands below their head. Now what happens in this position? It pulls the shoulders structures upward. It creates a pull on the shoulder joint and it makes it less stable. Now we can modify this sleeping position. When we lie down straight, use two pillows. One pillow should be under our head and other pillow we should keep by the side of our body. And we need to place our hand on the pillow so that our shoulder joint is fully supported and it is maintained in the neutral position, and it will allow time for the shoulder joint to heal properly. As we are trying to heal shoulder joint to get rid of pain, sleeping position plays a very crucial role. So stop putting pressure on the shoulder joint in the positions in which you sleep. So follow the proper supporting positions for your shoulder joint.